Okay, so this is the answer key for price elasticity of demand. So by using the above formula, you would be getting some answers like you got this answer. So you would need to compare this answer with this key to identify what type of elasticities your product has. So initially, you don't have enough knowledge of what is perfectly elastic, relatively inelastic, and unitary elastic, relatively elastic, and perfectly elastic. You don't have the knowledge about these all. So just bear with it for 2-3 minutes, inshallah. I'll be explaining it in a while. Okay, so by using the above formula, if your answer comes zero, if your answer comes zero, so that would be perfectly, that elasticity would be known as perfectly inelastic. And if your answer is lesser than 1, if your answer is lesser than 1, let's say 0.25, 0.1, 0.625, let's say, so that would be relatively inelastic, so that would be relatively inelastic. Okay, and if your answer comes 1, for example, case, in the above case, your answer is 1. So your elasticity would be unitary elastic. Are we getting it? Your elasticity would be unitary elastic. And if your answer is greater than 1, that would be elastic, relatively elastic. And if your answer is infinity, then your answer would be considered as perfectly elastic. Are we getting it? So we would have to use the above formula of price elasticity of demand in order to get the answer, and as soon as we get the answer above, we would use then we would use the answer key in order to identify what type of elasticities our product has. If your product is inelastic, that means it is not much responding, and if your product is elastic, that means it is responding, and if your product is a unitary elastic, so it is somewhere in between. Okay, so I'm gonna explain this in a while in a better manner. So just wait. I'm giving you some more questions. Just do them and just compare your answer with the above and just mark it with like whatever your answer is. Just write in the front. For example, if your answer is coming 0, so just write perfectly inelastic. Okay, just copy them. I'll be solving one question for you so that you know. Okay, so the formula of price elasticity of demand is percentage change in quantity demanded divided by percentage change in price. Change in quantity demanded, percentage change in quantity demanded is equals to new is this. So new quantity demanded is 1. So new quantity demanded is 2100. The old is divided with 1700. Let me use the machine. 0.35, and the percentage change in price is equals to the new price, that is 10 minus 12 upon 12. I'm just gonna place these answers in the above equation. So my quantity demand is this thing, 0.23, and my quantity percentage change in price is 0.16. 1.4687. So my answer is greater than 1. My answer is greater than 1. So this would be regarded as relatively elastic. Okay, so I would write relatively elastic. Are we getting it? Is it easy? Okay, I'm now removing this solution so that you can solve the next one on your own. This was just given to give you an idea of how you would solve these elasticity questions. I'm just writing some more questions for your practice. Okay, so these 6 questions are your homework. You should complete these, and just do let me know as soon as you complete these questions. Just WhatsApp me so that I upload some new videos. Okay, so I hope my lecture was enough clear, and please provide me with the feedback that did you understand what I taught in these classes, and just solve these questions and do let me know. Thank you. This is the answer key, so do refer to this key.